This little tutorial will cover the installation of Ccleaner version 5.7.1 and some privacy and other setting changes after the installation that should be followed. Number 1, always use custom. Default will install whatever the company wants to install. Customize will allow you to choose what to install and what to bypass. I personally don't need a desktop shortcut. All the other options are useful and will stay. Click on More. I want it to be installed just for me since I'm the only one on this computer. Now we can go ahead and hit the install. Bypass viewing the release notes. Next, we'll select Run Ccleaner. Close this one up. Options, Privacy, and what you want to uncheck is Help Improve the App, Upgrades, and offers from third parties. That will stop the pop-ups. One more thing to do in the options. I like to use my Ccleaner on demand. I don't want it to be resident. I don't want it to automatically do any cleaning for me. So to fix that, go into Smart Cleaning and uncheck Tell me when there are junk files to clean, and uncheck Enable Smart Cleaning. Yes, it'll warn you because it likes to be resident. I don't want it that way. I'll do my cleaning on demand when I want to clean garbage. Are you sure you want to do this? The answer is yes. That takes care of all the changes that I'm going to make. You are now ready to use Ccleaner, and I recommend that you use the default settings. They're perfectly safe. They'll clean out all the garbage for you, and you'll have probably a slightly faster running computer. That's it for the settings changes and the custom installation of Ccleaner. Stay safe, be free. I hope this helps.